Pronoun. Hey, let's start our lesson with pronoun today. Do you know what a pronoun is? Well, let's look at these sentences first. The house is mine. Take the presents, these are yours. The dog is barking at him. All these words in blue are examples of pronoun. After nouns, pronouns are the next major grammatical category in the English language. The word pronoun means for a noun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. We use a pronoun so that a noun needs not to be repeated.
Let's understand this from one example. Can you see Susie? How will it sound if we say, Susie is a fashionable girl. Susie wears trendy clothes. Doesn't the second time Susie sound repetitive? So, instead of Susie in the second sentence, we say, she wears trendy clothes. She in the second sentence is a pronoun. We use she so that the name of the girl, Susie, need not be repeated in the second sentence. Let's see some more examples of pronoun marked as blue. He wants to be an astronaut. I am your teacher. We are studying for the exam. Now, let's go to activities section to brush up the lesson on pronouns.